traders, hope you're having a great trading week. I'm on the Euro Pound daily chart, got my monthly, weekly, day support and resistance levels all drawn in. Then in the description below, I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action now. We've been having a 6-day sell-off, moving back below 88.97 weekly resistance. So at the moment I'm just waiting to see if we can have a rally. Can we form a higher bottom here, and can we come up to retest 88.97? I'm going to watch that level for failure. Of course we could move through if we come up, but I would be watching 88.97 for a possible failure for a decline down. This 6-day sell-off is clearly telling you that this is a very high level on the Euro Pound, so watching 88.97, can we move back up, retest that level and fail this week. Alright traders, moving on to New Zealand Yen. Now it's been very range bound. The area I'm watching at the moment is the 84.66 daily and 84.91 weekly resistance levels. Can we move up to this area, hold and fail for a move back down the range? This is weekly resistance up here, and this is weekly support down here, so we're in a broad weekly range. Can we rally back up to 84.66 to 84.91? Does price hold and fail in that area for a move back down the range this week? Alright, moving along to the New Zealand dollar. Now last week we got support down here at 63.04, so this is clear support at the moment. Plenty of candles here sitting on that level, and 63.65 is being resistance. We tested it last week and we tested it yesterday. Yes, we've got the USDCPY data coming out today, so it's going to be a little bit hard to tell you where price will be in 24 hours when that event happens, but we could well hold at 63.65, could come up to test the high of last week. So first of all, we could hold at this level to move back down and move down towards the 62.04 monthly support level. That's my long-term target. Of course, after the USDCPY data release, we could see a move up to 64.68, which is weekly resistance. I would then watch that level for failure for a move back down. So all depends what the US data brings tonight. 63.65 could hold as resistance for a move down, or we could get a much higher move up to 64.68 weekly resistance, and then does price hold and fail there. Alright, moving on to dollar CAD. Again, this is going to be affected by the USDCPY data release tonight, but at the moment we're very range bound. I did think we may have moved above 134.71, but we held there last week. So a clear range at the moment. Top of the range 134.71, and then day support down here at 132.62. So is it simply going to hold the range? Do we move down to test 132.62? The USDCPY data release could move this down to weekly support, but do we come down to this area of support, hold for a move back up the range? So watch 132.62 down to 132.25. Does that area of support get tested? Does it hold for a move back up the range? Alright, dollar franc, another pair that's highly range bound. It's worth noting that we did get good support down here at 90.84 monthly support, and we did just move up just to a fractional higher top here, and we might be forming a higher bottom here, or even a left shoulder inverted head, right shoulder here. So we may come down to 91.60, hold, form that right shoulder and move up to retest at 92.88, and can we move above that level? That's the first scenario. Of course, we've got the USDCPY data coming out. We may move down to retest 90.84 monthly support. Watch that level for a retest and a move back up. Of course, if this is a head, this could be a left shoulder here, and we might form a right shoulder down at 90.84. So two levels to watch for support at the moment on the dollar franc, 91.60 and 90.84. Alright traders, on to the dollar yen. Now ultimately last week we got support down here at 130.40, which is weekly support. It was resistance through here. All these highs became support to form a higher bottom. Now to move up, we're testing last week's high. I'm anticipating we're going to challenge 133.62 this week. And can we move above that level? 133.62 is weekly resistance. Can we challenge that level? And can we move through? The next level is 135.16, monthly resistance, major high from back in time. So 133.62 is the next level to watch. Can we move up to that level and move beyond? That will be a level I would watch for failure potentially for a move back down intra-week. Okay. So can we move up and test 133.62 and then ask the question, what happens there? Do we move through, or does it offer a nice opportunity to trade back down the range? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan Bray at acy.com to get access.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities, as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week: 14th of February, Forex Trading Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions. 15th of February, trading the 79% fib retracement pattern across different time frames. He will take you through the entry criteria, stop loss and profit target levels, and how to create risk to reward targets greater than 1 to 4. 16th of February, live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. 8 p.m. Sydney time. Follow the link below and join for free.